I'm going to rank the best and worst businesses you could start before 2026. Some of these will make you rich, and others are a massive waste of your time. So I'm going to use everything I've learned over the years to rank these 15 businesses with the following criteria in mind. Number 1, how quickly can you get your first dollar? 2, how hard is it to learn? 3, how profitable is it in the long run? And 4, is it a business people would buy in the future? First one, real estate. What do I think of real estate? Most millionaires, the majority of wealth created in the US was made on the back end of real estate. Most people do this. They have the main business that makes cash, and then they take the cash and they put it into real estate. 1, you make cash flow every month. 2, you have the tax advantage. 3, you have the asset increasing. 4, you have high leverage on capital. I mean, it is incredibly profitable once it gets going. Next is NFTs and crypto projects. Here's the problem. 1, easy to make your first dollar. Used to, not today. Everybody's dealing with the fact that they essentially sold unregulated securities and people lost their money. I'm not going to give it a high score on that one. 2, easy to learn. Not that easy to learn, man. 3, how profitable is in the long run? Not very profitable right now. So not a high score there. And would somebody buy your portfolio of NFT projects? It's going in the scam category because if you look at 1,000 NFT projects, more than 500 are pure scams. They were literally money grabs. So I'm putting it in the scam category. Paid ads agency. Ooh, this one's a good one. Helping people get customers is a beautiful thing to do because you're essentially selling dollars. How quick is it make your first dollar? Really quick. If you can learn to sell, you can pick up the phone, you can send a text message, you can sell. How hard is it to learn? It's probably the thing that you can go on YouTube and learn the fastest. How profitable is in the long run? It's very profitable. I know young people that are 22 making $6 million a year with this agency. Is it going to be relevant past 2026? Because that's a real big question. I don't know. Meta and Facebook has talked about they're going to build the tooling that they've built their platform where you essentially say, I'm willing to pay X amount of money for this type of customer, and it will just generate you leads. So more and more ad agencies done by AI or the platforms themselves. So it may not be that competitive long term. And then last, would somebody buy it? The challenge is that if your relationship with the customer is monthly and there's no reoccurring and there's no contracts and you're the expert that's doing all the ad stuff, like it's not valuable long term. Next up, we've got coaching and online courses. Is it quick to make your first dollar? Very fast. If you can get a result for any other person, you can sell that know-how, right? It's a checklist. It's a know-how. It's a blueprint. You can sell that. Is it easy to learn? Heck yeah. You can get it going really quick, and it's super easy to learn. Most people overcomplicate it, how profitable it is. 2 of my favorite business models in the world. One is software, and the other one is information. Why? Because they have 97% profit. If you're selling courses, then every course you sell costs you nothing. Essentially, it's so profitable. So it's not very sellable long term. Next up, we've got the AI automation agency. First off, speed to first dollar. The speediest. It is the most searched term right now. AI automation. It is a hot topic, which means there's a lot of demand for it. The ability to learn it. Super easy to learn. How profitable? Right now, incredibly profitable. There is a risk that the AI will get better at automating than you will using AI. But that's true for all businesses because you're in the game of AI. And being in the game of AI is the most important thing. And then would somebody buy it from you in the future? It's hard to build something that somebody would want to buy or that you could sell. I shared 5 business ideas today. I'll reveal the next 10 in the next video if you comment below. Like and subscribe ProGens Tech for more updates.